on now.
Going down.
Might want to stand her up.
Oh, baby. 11 airbags, right, Mark?
Hey, the less the airbags, the stronger the punch.
Well, I mean, this is little
I know,
tiny
it's not
pushing.
bullshit.
This thing is gonna pop like a
Dave,
balloon.
make her stand up in case you get out of the way.
Stand up.
What's the, was that bit jump?
Yeah.
I gotta make sure. You might want to back
You guys know that thing.
Hang on.
Are we ready, boys and girls?
No.
Hold on.
Hold on. Let me know when everybody's ready.
There's only 11 in there, so it may not go too high.
It's a 10.
10? Shit, I'm gonna go sit on it.
You're gonna do that anyway.
You pick me up out of the door rack.
Ready?
Look ready. Ready? Tim?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here we go.
God
damn!
Wow!
Holy
Good thing they wrote that door down for hail damage already.
That was epic. I saw that shit come from a mile away.
Dude, you hit the freaking power line.
Yeah.
Good thing those things were written down for hail damage.
Oh my god. Oh man, that's awesome.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit!
Man, it smells like victory over here.
You seriously did all that?
Oh, that is.
Declan made it.
I'm
surprised.
Tim, you might want to take this
You
out
want
of
the number?
inventory. You might want to take this.